Welcome back, everyone. This is English for Mechanical Engineering, and we were going to be looking at Unit 2 Technical Drawing. In today's short session, we are going to find out what exactly technical drawing is. We are going to learn about tools and instruments used with technical drawing and read about CAD and CAM systems. As always, we are going to be looking at short text and we are going to answer comprehension questions or complete different comprehension tasks. Here's our first text for this session. We will have to read the text about technical drawing and label the picture. Right, so technical drawing, also known as drafting, is the act of and discipline of composing plans. The main purpose of technical drawing is to describe or explain all the characteristics of a product, giving all the necessary information that will help a manufacturer to produce that component. The visual image should be accurate in terms of dimensions and proportions and should provide an overall impression of what an object is or does. It is a precise task requiring a high level of skill and suitable engineering tools. A drafter is a person who makes a drawing and who requires wide knowledge of geometry, trigonometry, and spatial comprehension, and in all cases must be precise and accurate and give great attention to detail. People who communicate with technical drawings use a visual language and technical standards that define practical symbols, perspectives, and units of measurement. What are the tools and instruments used by a drafter and manual drawing or drafting? A T-square, a protractor, a compass, rulers and triangles. Paper is also important and can be divided into layout paper, which is thin and fragile, and cartridge paper, which is heavier and more suitable for final drawings. Pencils used in drawing are graded from H to F depending on the hardness. The final drawing is made using a technical pen graded according to the point, which must maintain the same line width. They are used with a range of stencils and to add symbols, letters and patterns to the drawing. Rubbers remove pencils or pen writing when mistakes are found. Correction fluid is used to mask text errors. Right, so that was our first introductory text. Let's take a look at what each of these tools are. Number 1 is compass, number 2 protractor, number 3 is T-square, number 4 rubber, 5 pencils, and 6 is the ruler, of course. Okay, so compass, protractor, T-square, rubber, ruler, and pencils. Right, moving on to a couple of comprehension questions. So number 1 reads, technical drawing is needed to make a scale of the product, practice pens, rulers, and stencils, or let the manufacturer understand the requirements. The correct answer is it is used to let the manufacturer understand the requirements. The drafter needs, and the answer is a wide range of technical instruments. Right here, paper is chosen considering what sort of drawing the drafter is going to make. Moving on here, pencils are graded according to, hopefully you remember this one, hardness, okay? And a technical pen maintains the same line width. When mistakes are found, they are removed with correction fluid. Okay, that was the correct one. Moving on to CAD or CAM systems. In our next task here, we will have to complete the text with words in the box. Take a screenshot, okay, and complete the text, or if you are in the class but you were for some reason absent today, then you can complete it and only use this short clip to check your answers. Okay, so let's have a quick look here. So drawing boards and manual drawing are not always precise and rapid. Traditional design is usually slow, especially in its revision and modification. For this reason, manufacturing firms have replaced manual drawing with computer-aided design, or CAD or CAD, to carry out functions related to design and production. This computer technology assists the designer in the creation, modification, and analysis of a physical object. Nowadays, computer software can easily prove a three-dimensional or dimensional, depending on how you want to pronounce that one, drawing, which allows engineering designers to see how mechanical components may fit together without making models, thus saving a lot of time. CAD is much faster and more accurate than manual drawing. Designs can be quickly modified, reproduced, and transmitted electronically. Computer simulated analysis of the model helps experts find problems and detect defects without building prototypes. In this way, saving a lot of money and time. When the design is ready, the system can generate the detailed drawings needed to start product manufacturing. When CAD systems are linked to manufacturing equipment controlled by computers, they form an integrated CAD or CAM system. Computer aided manufacturing or CAM offers significant advantages over traditional approaches by controlling manufacturing equipment with computers instead of human labor. CAM converts the design of a component into computer language, and it gives instructions to the computer regarding machine operations. Thanks to CAD or CAM systems, it is possible to eliminate operator errors and reduce manufacturing costs. Okay, so that was our second text where we had to complete the gaps with the words in the box. We have done just that now. Right, if you want to take a screenshot here, okay, and go back and forth between the next task, feel free to do that. Here we have to read the text again and match each sentence with its ending. So on the left, you will have CAD helps designers by using CAD technology, unlike manual drawing, and so on and so on. Let's have a look at the answers here quickly. CAD helps designers to draw, modify, and correct designs. By using CAD technology, defects can be easily found. D. Number 3. Unlike manual drawing, CAD provides three-dimensional drawings. CAD allows us to save time and money. CAD designs can be seen from any angle and are easily manipulated. CAM is the use of a computer software to control machine tools in the manufacturing process. The CAM system turns the design into computer language. And CAD or CAM systems, surprise, surprise, last one, minimize errors and manufacturing costs. Okay, so here's our answers. First halves of the sentences with the correct endings. Okay. Do let me know if you have any questions. This was a shorter session. This was a shorter unit. Hopefully you found that useful, whether you used it as a reading or a listening task. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'll see you again in the next one.